Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Jira issues with bulk export CSV and backup step by step clearly. To backup Jira issues using bulk export CSV, start by logging into your Jira account. Navigate to the project containing the issues you want to export. In the project sidebar, locate the Issues tab and click on it. Use the search filters to find the specific issues you wish to backup. Once your issues are filtered, look for the Export option in the top right corner. Click on the Export drop-down menu to reveal the available options. Select Export to CSV, all fields, or Export to CSV, current fields, based on your needs. If you choose Export to CSV, all fields, all relevant issue details will be included. If you select Export to CSV, current fields, only the fields currently displayed will be exported. After making your selection, the CSV file will begin downloading automatically. Locate the downloaded CSV file on your computer. Open the CSV file to review the exported data. Ensure that all necessary information is included for your backup. For a more comprehensive backup, consider creating a backup of your Jira instance. To do this, go to the Jira Administration section. Select System from the Administration menu. Look for the Backup System option under Import and Export. Click on Backup System to initiate the backup process. Follow the prompts to download a full backup of your Jira data. This backup will include all issues, projects, and settings. Check the Download folder to access the backup file. Keep the backup files stored securely for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.